Okay, so here is a question on the chapter Comparing Quantities, Class 8. The question is, a milkman sold two of his buffaloes for rupees 20,000 each. On one, he made a gain of 5% and on the other, a loss of 10%. Find his overall gain or loss, find CP in each case. So this milkman had two buffaloes and he sold each buffalo for a price of rupees 20,000. So let's mark this one as buffalo number 1 and this one as number 2. So the selling price of buffalo number 1 is 20,000 and the selling price of buffalo number 2 is also 20,000. So on one he made 5% gain. So gain percentage on buffalo number 1, let's say, is 5%, and the loss percentage on this buffalo is 10%. Now it's fairly simple. We will just extend the formula for gain percent and then we will solve it. So if you remember, the formula for gain percentage is gain divided by CP times 100, and we will equal it, and 5%, we'll just write 5 here. Similarly here, we know the loss percentage is equal to loss divided by CP times 100, which will be equal to 10 here. Okay, this implies gain is equals to selling price. Okay, we will have to write 1 and 2 also. Okay, selling price 1 minus cost price divided by CP1 into 100, which is equals to 5. And similarly, loss is equals to when we subtract the selling price from the cost price. CP minus SP is loss. SP2 divided by CP2 times 100 is equals to 10. Now we will cross multiply this one here. Here also the same thing. And let's put them within the brackets. Okay. So SP1 minus CP1 times 100 is equals to 5 CP1, and here also the same thing, CP2 minus SP2 times 100 is equals to 10 times CP2. Okay, this implies 100, we will now multiply it in this way, 1 by 1, 100 into SP1 is 100, SP1 minus 100 CP1, which is equals to 5 times CP1, and here 100 CP2 minus 100 SP2 is equals to 10 CP2. Okay, now let's gather the like term on one side. So 100 SP1, and we will add 100 CP1 on both sides, or we'll just take this one, this side, equal to 5 CP1 plus 100 CP1. Here we will take this one on this side and this one here. So we will add 100 SP2 on both sides and subtract 10 CP2 from both sides, or in simple language we'll just do like this. CP2 will bring this one over here, 10 CP2, the sign will change to negative, and we'll take this one on the other side. So minus 100 SP2 will become positive 100 SP2, like this. So now 100 SP1 is equals to 105 CP1, and here 100 minus 10 is 90 CP2 equals 100 SP2. So from here, now we will bring this cross multiply it or divide by 105 on both sides. So 100 SP1 divided by 105 is going to be CP1. Similarly, CP2 will be equal to 100 SP2 divided by 90. Now we will just substitute the values and calculate our cost prices. So 100 into, we know that the SP is 20,000 divided by 105 is equals to CP1. Similarly, CP2 will be equal to 100 times 20,000 divided by 90. So we can cancel it with 5 over here. 5 20s are 100, 5 21s are 105. So let's sort it out here first. 2 2s are 4 and 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 zeros divided by 21 is our CP1. Similarly, our CP2, we'll cancel the zeros here, and this will be 2 1s are 2, 1 2 3 4 5 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 zeros divided by 9. So when you divide 4 lakh by 21, we get 19047.62 approximately. This is CP1, and CP2 will be equal to 22,222.22. Okay, so this is our CP1 and this is our CP2. So now to find whether there is an overall gain or loss, we'll add them up both. So CP total will be equal to CP1 plus CP2, which is equals to 19047.62 plus 22222.22, and CP total will be equal to 41269.84. Now our total SP is equals to SP1 plus SP2, which is equals to 20,000 plus 20,000. So our total SP is 40,000. So this means that CP total is greater than SP total. So there is a loss. There is a loss. So the overall loss is equals to CP total minus SP total, which is equal to 41269.84 minus 40000. So that will give us 1269.84. Okay, so this is our answer.